evening, members.
Good evening.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
So I'm going to present the work which or exercise in Python, which says that using the lecture notes and other sources, prepare a video presentation on the use of the following. Roman 1, opening a file, reading the file, that is Roman 2. Then Roman 3, searching through a file. Roman 4, using try, accept, and open. Then Roman 5, it is writing file. So I have the task. The task first use Roman. We start with the Roman 1. Roman number 1, which is opening a file. Okay, in Python. So we can use what we call opening function. Opening function, meaning opening files. Python. So we have, for example, assume that we have the following files located in the same folder in Python. Okay? Files twinner, demo file.x, demo file.txt, and you have hello. Welcome to demo file. Welcome to demo file.txt, and we have this file is for testing purpose. This file is for testing purpose. Then we have good luck. Okay. So to open the file, use the built-in function which is open
File.
function.
Function, sorry. Function.
Open function. Open. So that is. So to open, the open function returns a file object which has a read function method. A read function. Read function method.
Yes.
Then for this read function method enables you to read the content of the file.
The file.
The content of the file. Okay? I understood?
Yes.
Okay. Then the code we shall have our code, which is F. This F stands for file. Okay?
Yes.
So F equals open. Equals open. Then open the bracket 0. Then open the quotes.
Yes.
Then you say demo file. Demo
file.txt.
dot
The file that we are going to open.
dot txt. Okay.
Yes.
Then you close the quotes. You press comma. You open another quotes. Then type R, which is in small. Then you close. Okay.
Yes.
So then here on the new line you can say print. Print what? Print F dot
Text.
read.
Okay. Dot read.
So it will read the what? These files. So what are them in
Yes.
our example? These ones. Okay? So it will give you so continuous. If you want maybe to open a file from different location. Here we open a file in one location. But you want to see how to open the file from different, how to open a file from
Different locations.
different locations. Okay? So after, assuming that we have these files in this location and then in another other files are from different locations, okay? We shall have our code. After typing the files, we shall have our code, which is F equals
Open file.
into open quotes. You write that. Then take care of what name is given to this
Director.
these symbols.
Full colonies.
Are these colonies or semicolons?
Full colonies.
Full colonies. Then type those. Are they backslash?
Yes, those are
Backslash 01 my files, then still backslash, then you write welcome.txt, okay? Then you close the quotes, type a comma there, then in quotes you type R in quotes, you close the brackets. So on the new line you will say print. You have file dot read, then take away the bracket says the main bracket, close the main
bracket.
So this R, it enables you to read other files from different locations. That is how to open a file. 2, which is concerning about, this is Roman 2, it is for reading a file.
Reading file.
Reading a file in
Python.
So here, there are some steps you need to follow, okay? When you're reading a file in Python. The first step is first open a text file in Python for reading by using the open function, okay? Open function.
You first open. Okay.
Function. Then step number 2, read a text from a text file using file read function. Okay? Yes. File read function.
Yes.
Then you can read function, you can use read line function or read lines. Because read line function, it can read files on one line. Okay? Read lines method, it can read files in what? Or on different lines. For example, from line 1, line 2, line 3, okay? So the third step, you close the file using the file close method. Okay? File close method, close, that is. Take it. For example, how to read, how to use read method. In read method, you can use it to read the contents of this built-in function. We call it the Zen of
Python. The Zen.
The Zen of
Python.
Don't elect to put in high things in between those texts, okay? For example, or illustration, we shall say with open. So this is the code. With open, close the bracket.
Open.
Then put a quote. You insert this. Okay?
The Zen of.
The Zen of Python. Okay? Then .txt.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, our file is Zen. It's called Zen.
Then not a camera quote. You close the bracket. Then as if. Yeah?
As a function.
Not a function, as a file. Because
as a file.
We are about to open this, okay? As a what? As a file, okay?
As a file.
Then type here content, over contents, okay? Equals f dot read, okay? Use contents as a demo. Use contents equals f or file dot read, okay? So that is. Then from there we shall print what? Contents. So what are them? Take it this. Yeah. So this is how to read a file in Python. Take it. Then the outputs. You are going to get those who are on machine. You can try that code, and you may realize that the output, it will be beautiful is better than ugly. Okay? Then explicit is better than complicit. Then another one, simple is better than complex. Stay in.
Yes.
Yeah. Then how to use readlines function method. How to use readlines method function. Nyo tugikozesa tukuba wano ekulaze nti byegenda okutuwa bigenda kuba mu line ez'enjawulo. So here we can use the readline method to read the text file and returns the file contents as a list of strings. As a list of strings. I think you know what a string is. For example, what is a string?
A string. String.
The code which you use to readline for readline method, it will be with open, close the bracket. We use this in quotes. The of what?
Python.
Python.txt. Okay?
Yes.
Then close the
Bracket.
bracket. As if which is as
A file.
then don't forget to write these symbols, 4 columns. Then on the new line, you open this bracket, print line, okay?
Yes.
For line in F, dot read lines, so it will give you the output, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the code for reading a file using readline function method. Okay? Because I may be stopping here, but why am I introducing you this? Your colleague may ask you a question, but that how do we use readline method to read the file in Python? So I explained you how to deal with that. Okay?
Yes.
Romani 2. So we are going on our Romani 3,
Three.
which is
Searching for a file. Through the what? Through the file.
That is
Searching.
a file through what?
Through a file.
Through a file in Python. Okay? Now, when we are searching the files, for example, I have a sales text. Okay? I have sales.txt.
That is our file.
Assuming that this is our file. So the file that contains monthly sales data of items. I have this file which contains the monthly sales data. Okay?
Yes.
Then I want the sales data of a specific item. Okay? For instance, if I want maybe a price for salt, for a bag of salt. Salt. So I will use diff, this diff, which is to define.
Okay.
You use this as to define. It's going to define the what? The specific sales of that item in this text. So we shall use in code. Let me first start. So we shall say diff in small, diff or define search, okay, put here underscore. Some of them they type minus, but it is underscore. Then what is this?
String.
Thank you. We open the bracket, we say file, then underscore. Then you can say path, then comma, word. Okay?
Yes.
Then you close the bracket, then you put these 4 columns. First step. Okay? Then on the new line you will say with open underscore, then path, comma, bracket, R. Okay? R, it is in the quote. This is R, not V, because that one wrote V. It is R. Then, as, we close the bracket, we say as, file. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Then put here the full contents. Then you comment. I think you know how to write a comment. Eh?
Yes. Hash.
Write hash. And you say read all contents of a file.
File.
You say read all contents of a file as a comment. Then on the new line we say content is equal to file.read is equal to file.read. Okay. Then on the new line again you go. Comment, you check if string present in a file.
In a file.
If a string is present in a file. Okay?
Yes.
Then you say on the new line if word in content, if word in content. Are you following?
Yes.
Then you put the full colonies. Then on the new line you will say print. It says string exists in a file. Exist. Is this the spelling of exist?
Yes.
Exist in a file. You close the quotes, then you close the bracket.
Okay.
If you use if, you should use else. So you say else. Gamba wano. Print. Then string does not exist in a file.
A file.
String does not. Do not use doubles or abbreviations. Don't do like this. Chimale does not exist in
A file.
a file. Okay?
Yes.
Then you close the course, then you close the bracket. Right together? So write search, next step, search, then type the underscore, it says string, you put a bracket there, then you say R, type E in bracket, you type the full column, then you say backslash, you say demos files underscore demos underscore account backslash, so nzekomyewo backslash sales dot txt So the output, it will be output the string exists in a file because one twala's a string here for switch. You know,
yes.
So at the end of the day, so this is the what? The content we are talking about. Together with research. Together whether there is a string in this content.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So it output so the string exists in a file. Okay?
Yes.
So let's continue with
Roman 4.
Which
Yes.
says that using try, except, and open
In Python.
So let's start with the try except block. No, this is normally 4. Okay? So those are the usual. Then let's start with try except block. Try except block.
Bro.
Excuse me, following? Yes. Thank you. So, under try and except block, it wraps up the call to the opening function. Opening function. Command in try statement. Then Python will try to run the code, and if it works, the content of the file will be stored in a file variable, and the file exist will be printed. And if it fails, except will run and raise an exception, which means file does not
Exist.
Exception.
Okay.
File it does what? It does not exist. This one is existing, this one doesn't
Exist.
Please following?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Then, for example, we shall have our code here, which says that try. We start with try. Okay?
Yes.
And we say file is equal to open, then of course exist dot txt. Okay?
Yes.
Then print what? Print file exist. File does what?
Exist.
Okay?
Yes.
Then exception. You put those symbols, full columns. Then you say print file does
Not exist.
Okay? Equals the bracket. And since you indicated the what? The exception command. So here you have try.
It's going to try file to open, and if the file exists, it will print file exist.
If it doesn't exist, it will print for you.
Yes, does it exist? Yes.
So this one, it will print file
Exists.
Okay?
Yes.
And should we call out another code for file don't exist?
Yes.
Yes, we can. So, another code showing that file doesn't
Exists.
Shall say now code shall say
File.
file. No, you can say
Try.
sorry. Then you say file equals open. Then missing dot text. Missing dot txt.
Print.
That one, okay?
Yes.
Then you say print.
File exists.
Print. Files
Exists.
exist. That is correct English. Exist.
Except.
Then except.
Exceptional.
Exception. Is it exception?
Yes.
Then
Print.
put those symbols. Then you say print.
File doesn't exist.
File does not
Exist.
Okay?
Yes.
Then that is. So the output will be
Doesn't
output.
exist.
Those who have the machine